Oi, eat. Unboxing lah. Eat. Everyday eat.
This episode is brought to you by.
Brought your head lah, bro. Keep lah.
Okay. That's intro.
Yo, what's up guys? We are Jets. I'm Jets Alex.
I'm just known.
So we are the channel who talk about
Streetwear,
unboxing,
music, and more.
Yeah. So you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up.
Okay.
Yeah. So what we have today is Reebok.
Blue box.
Yeah.
It's the first time we unbox Reebok.
Yeah. So
Oh,
give
yes.
us some story.
Reebok Malaysia. Yeah, you hear us.
Okay. So give us some story about Reebok first.
Okay. First of all, Reebok was founded by J.W. Foster and Sons in 1958. Okay. After that, they become Adidas subsidiary company in year 2005.
Also, it's something like Adidas bought this company.
I'm not sure if we consider that. What we know is that Reebok is already considered a subsidiary company under Adidas. So it is still an England brand, but they let Germany to control the brand now.
Okay. So what we are really unboxing today is Reebok.
Yes.
So this
What's the
model
name?
is Reebok Royal Bridge 300.
300. It's a
Yeah.
unisex shoe.
It's a unique sex shoe.
Yes.
And this size is USA 6
US 6. Why is US?
because it's for my girlfriend.
Why is for your girlfriend?
And yeah, it's because of this month is her birthday month.
Birthday month! Opening now!
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday!
Okay, this is our hair.
So nothing else? Paper, box, clean.
Yeah. The box is nice, blue box. Quite striking color. Okay.
What them like?
Wow.
Them like. At first, I see this shoe. I feel that it's like it's a dad shoe.
It definitely a dad shoe.
A dad shoe.
Without weight.
Yes, without weight, super light.
Super light.
Unlike which one? This one. Ding! 2.3 kilo.
Don't understand.
This one is like 230 grams.
So people who like that shoe, right, you can consider taking this.
Yes.
But it's from other overseas lah.
Yes. We
Because,
bought it from overseas, right?
Yeah, I bought it from overseas. It's a Korean website. And then quite cheap. It's big. We talk about the price later.
Malaysia is not yet released yet.
Malaysia.
We saw some of the influencers get ready.
Yeah, maybe.
Yes. Is it?
No.
No, not yet. So we are the first one to get it in here.
Okay, so just to let you all know first. Okay, so this shoe is the ambassador of the shoe. You know who is the ambassador of the shoe? It's a K-pop artist. It's a K-pop band. They call it 101.
Oh, 101.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, I don't know.
Daniel,
So,
Daniel.
Yeah, because my girl like that, so
Okay.
definitely she will like this shoe also. So I bought her this one. Yeah. This
So,
one Korea.
the quality wise, you can see there's a sponge quality here.
Sponge.
Sponge quality here. And the white
A lot of sponge.
part here. And the black part is a bit leather, soft touch leather.
Yeah, soft
Right.
leather.
Soft leather.
Soft leather.
So the outsole of the shoe, you can see. I think the shoe main point make it light is because of this outsole.
Yeah.
You can touch here, it's very soft.
Yeah, it's a very soft one and
See? Very soft, right?
well, it's very soft and very light, you know. I don't understand like why like this, but that will be a good thing lah, because light shoe, right, you make people like can walk more and then won't
More
feel,
comfy.
yeah, more comfy and won't feel that tired.
So you can walk like
Yeah, so quality wise, it's not much Okay, you can walk this way.
Okay.
Because of the insole. Yeah, okay, that's
Okay.
okay. Okay, so for quality wise, nothing much fancy. So all these are simple touch of
Clean.
clean things. Yeah.
But one details,
Yeah.
I'm not sure what is this. Maybe if you know, you can comment down below why there's a flag logo here.
Oh, maybe this is from the 101 flag or something. Because
I don't know.
this shoe is crossover with the 101.
Oh really? That's why
Yeah.
it's the cross.
I don't know yet. Maybe it's a cross.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe we will let you know here
Yes.
if you get the answer.
Yeah.
So
You can see
yeah.
the shape of this similar to
From Fury.
Fury. I think this is their signature shape. Of the shoe.
Yeah. A lot of Reebok shoes have this kind of
A
shape.
lot. Okay. So
So do you find any similar look on the shoe?
tongue here. The tongue.
Why?
Tongue.
Why the tongue?
Tongue.
Ting tang tang.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so I let you know. The first thing when I show this shoe, that shoe, right? You will think about other that shoe patterns. So first is
Triple S.
yeah, triple S. Okay, for the bulky look, it's a bit look like triple S, but they don't have a lot of that kind of texture, like, because triple S has a lot of texture. And then second one is the shoelace. You know, the OG shoelace for triple S.
Yes.
And then this one, the tongue. Triple S also have the tongue with the triple S words on there. So this one is similar on that way. So for
But
the
this one is they're using stitching, not
Yeah,
like
yeah.
triple S just printed the plastic.
yeah. It's a bit similar lah, but not that similar. Because this time for me, I can count as this shoe is the budget way of the that shoe. If you can't get triple S, that kind of expensive shoe, so you can get this, and it's cheap and light. So
How much?
How much? How much I get the shoe?
Include everything.
Okay, so include everything, I get this shoe for 200, maybe 250 ringgit Malaysia. So I bought it from Korea. Yeah.
So don't ever buy any Fila Disruptor 2 again, please.
You still can buy it lah, but
Please.
you buy this also because this one is really a good
Cheaper than Fila Disruptor 2.
Yeah, and
Cheaper.
actually look nicer.
Look nicer.
Style.
I agree.
Style.
Style.
Yeah. So overall, how much will you rate the shoe?
For me, this one rates like higher, 7.5 or 8.
7.5. Okay. I
Because-
give it an 8 lah.
8 lah, yeah, 8 because the outsole. The main point is the light. The light is very good mark really. Yes. So what about you?
I will also give it an 8 for me because
8.
I'm a that shoe lover. I like a lot of that shoe things.
Do you have that shoe?
Yeah.
Yeah. But not yet Reebok yet, right?
Reebok that shoe? Not yet.
Not yet, right?
Not yet.
Incoming, right?
This is the first pair I get, but not for me, for my girlfriend. So I will give it an 8 also. So yeah, maybe next time I will get it another pair for myself. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think this is all of our video. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up.
Reebok Malaysia, we are waiting you.
Yeah, please Reebok. Rarely have Malaysia's YouTubers talk about Reebok.
Yeah.
So you can make us always unboxing for you, you know? Yeah, so if you like our video, please like, give us a thumbs up.
If you don't like our video, share with a friend, Akong, Ama, Atok, Ato.
Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please remember to subscribe our channel. So if you want to watch our video every week, please click the notification button. So
See you.
yeah,
Bye.
see you guys next time. Bye bye.